Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you some most amazing and unique ideas of crochet pillowcases. You will see different kinds of designs in this video, and I have included patchwork designing ideas. Most of these designs are having different square patches like granny square pattern, solid granny square pattern, and granny square patterns along with flowers in center like the previous one and this one also, and you will see modified granny square patterns as well, and Afghan square flower patterns of different kind, and all of these designs are really unique and attractive. You can see very beautiful and attractive color schemes are used to make them, and all of these designs are having 3 to 4 contrasting color schemes, and some of them are having 7 to 8 contrasting color schemes as well, which are really unique and attractive, and their color schemes are really eye catchy and simple. So you can just take a screenshot of any specific design which you like the most and you want to make and make it by yourself at home. You can take idea about the color schemes as well. So take a screenshot of any color scheme as well in which you are interested to make your own pillow cover or cushion. So do let me know in the comments if you love these ideas, and press the like button, and after that, if you are new to my channel and want more ideas videos like this, then do subscribe. Press the bell icon and the all option to get notifications of future uploads from this channel as well. So just share your opinion in the comment box if you are interested in seeing tutorial videos of these kinds of pillowcases as well, because I have uploaded many of the crochet square patterns on my channel already, and some of them are available already. So you can just check the square pattern tutorial video and you can make pillow covers by yourself at home just with the help of these videos. For joining method, you can use different types of methods, like you can use a slip stitch method to join the pieces of squares together. You can use a single crochet stitch method. You can use a sewing needle, and you can just sew the patches together with the help of needle, and you can use join as you go method as well, and chain 3 pattern can also be used to join the pieces together. So there are many methods of joining the square pieces together, and you can use any of them. Like in these designs, almost all different methods are used. So hope you're gonna love them all. Give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourself and family. Bye.